Hey guys, and I'm going to do an update on both of the garage doors and openers. And right now, I have the Craftsman remote. This remote does not work unless I hold down the button for at least 1 second. Otherwise, I'll have to push it at about 14 times. And we'll open the Craftsman. It won't work really well from way back here. Nothing has changed on the garage door openers or garage doors. We still have the 877 Max keypad. Nothing has changed with it as well. The wall controls over there. And I'll open the garage door with the LiftMaster 8355. This is an 882 LM. There's load and lock and the light button. And it's an 882 LM, and the date is July 13th. That was the date it was made. And the remotes are still the same. And this is an 893 LM remote. I'm going to do a sensor check on the LiftMaster. The sensors work really great. The Craftsman opener will be replaced with, it's most possibly going to be a LiftMaster 8365. But it can be a LiftMaster 8365, 8165, and more. And if the 8355 will open that door a lot better, we'll move it there and install the new garage door opener here. And when the garage door closes, there's a chain swap on it. When the door gets at this point or around this point, then the chain swap happens. And I will show you that. I think you heard that chain swap. And when we open the garage door manually, I found out that it's super heavy, and when we close it, then the door slows down. And when the opener closes the door, it slows down that way too. And the down limit didn't get increased yet, and there were no changes with the force control. I was wrong. There were no changes needed. Why this door doesn't close properly is because it's crooked. Right here it's 19 inches and right here it's 19 and a half. And this is how it's supposed to look. And I will show you how this door looks outside with the panel lines. And you can hear that noise. You can hear it louder inside. That sound is mostly coming from the roller that is over there. This is how the panel line looks like. It's supposed to look like this, but on the other door it looks like that. That's the difference. And right here, it looks the same. And we'll open the other door again. And that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and all of my other ones. Bye.